since it does not need to memorize many things, the operational speed will be relatively faster in a tuple than a list, because list supports a lot of methods, so it needs to deal with a lot of metadata. But a tuple is pretty straightforward. It does only count in the index. It does not need to memorize anything. So operationally, it will be relatively faster than a list. Okay. So guys, I am done with the list and I am done with the tuple. 50% of our data structure is over. Any doubts or any questions?
Sir, Anushka this side.
Yes, sir.
So is slicing possible in Tuple?
Obviously, if there is an indexing, slicing is supported.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Indexing and slicing are like the brothers and sisters, so they will always coexist. Good question, though. It is supported. That's the answer.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Good. Thank you. Anybody else has any doubts or questions? So, guys, if you go ahead, go ahead.
This is Prem sir. So I can able to see that dunder method reduce. So if I want to anything, I'll delete from the tuple means I can use that function, right? Method, right?
Which method?
That hyphen reduce.
Okay, I don't know anything about reduce. What should I do?
Help.
Help. You put a help of my tuple dot underscore underscore reduce underscore underscore. What do you see?
It's a method.
No, you look at the wordings. It is a helper for pickling operation.
Okay.
Just because the name says reduce, it is not going to allow you to reduce the size of the tuple. Tuple is an immutable object. Pickling and unpickling, I will be teaching you at the 40th hour. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So for now, yeah, whenever you need, like, tuple is an immutable object. You cannot modify, you cannot delete.
Okay.
Okay. You can delete the entire tuple, that is possible, but you cannot delete the tuple elements.
Elements.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool. Now, let me ask you some questions. Do you guys remember I gave you an analogy of water, ice cube, and all? Why did I share that analogy? Water.
So that we can distribute equally.
You can change the data type.
Typecasting.
Typecasting.
So
Typecasting.
certain operations we cannot perform on some data types, so we'll convert it to different data type and then we can perform.
Excellent. May I know who this is?
Sushmita.
Thank you, Sushmita. So, guys, remember this. You will have data type or data structure 1. Okay. And you will be asked to do certain operation. But that operation may not be supported in the given form. Then the question is like, how will you cut a water? You cannot do that. Then what are you supposed to do? Freeze it. It will become an ice cube. Cut it. Then boil it. It will again become a water. Likewise, now I'm asking you, this is what my tuple is. 1, 9, 2, 10. I want you to sort it. How will you achieve that? Tuple does not support a sort function.
We can convert it to a list and then
How will you convert it
sort.
into a list?
We can do a list of that.
So this is what we discussed the other day. You put a list of my tuple. Will it be supported or will throw error?
Not sure.
Okay, now what has happened? This parenthesis got changed to square parenthesis. Okay, so now I'm saying, hey, my list 1 equal to list of my tuple. Okay, now I'm going to put a my list 1 dot sort. My list 1. Now it has got sorted. Now I want to convert this back into a tuple. What should I do?
We can typecast it.
How?
My tuple.
Tuple of my list 1. Okay. Now see, this is what the original tuple. I'm asked to modify it. I'm asked to sort it. It is natively not supported. Like a water, I cannot cut it. I'm converting into a ice cube where it is supported. Now I have sorted it out, and then I again boil it to become it a water. So guys, this is where most of the senior guys struggle during the interview. as well as the project execution. You will have a data set and you will be asked to do certain operation, but they will get panicked. Hey, this data structure does not support this operation. How can I get it done? Then they will start writing the logic on their own. If I need to sort these numbers using my own logic, it will minimum take 2 hours to get it done. And we cannot say it is like 100% foolproof or not also. So you should just smartly think that, hey, wait, tuple does not support sort. Then what else I can do? Okay, list supports. Can I typecast a tuple to list? Yes, it is possible. Okay, then typecast it, execute it, sort it, good, revert it back to a tuple. This is an important programming tip that I want all of us to be remembering forever. This is applicable for all the programming languages. It is not only needed for Python, it is needed for all the other programming languages as well, because this is a generic idea. Okay, clear? Any doubts, any questions?
No, sir.
Right. Now, let us move on to the third